To share screen from a mobile device inside Zoom, you can pick either your iPhone or your iPad. So with an Apple device, you're able to connect directly through the share screen option. Now you're going to look at the top here where it says Screens, Documents, and Advanced, and click on Advanced. And then notice the first option says iPhone, iPad via AirPlay. So what you're going to do is you're going to use the screen mirroring function from your mobile device. When you click here, click the share button at the bottom. Make sure first that you click the checkbox on the right-hand side, because if you're going to share something with sound, like a video from your mobile device, that sound will need to come through the meeting. Then click share at the bottom of the screen. Now, what you will see on your screen is a message that indicates that on your iPhone or iPad, you're going to need to connect to the same Wi-Fi network that you're running Zoom from your computer. And then you're going to look for the screen mirroring option. To get to this option, going to swipe down from the top right-hand corner of your mobile device, and then look for the icon that has two overlapping rectangles. That's the screen mirroring icon. What this is going to do for you is it's going to let your mobile device connect to your Zoom application on your computer. So from your mobile device, in the upper right corner, when you start your finger off the screen, like where the black area is, and you gently swipe down, you will see this control center. It's usually where you go to turn on your flashlight, change your alarms or timers, or even put yourself into Wi-Fi mode or airplane mode. But one of the icons right there is a double box, and it stands for screen mirroring. Go ahead and tap there once your computer looks like that. It's waiting for you to tap that icon on your device. What happens next is you're prompted for your computer, and your computer had told you that in step 3, and mine is called Zoom Betsy, and so you're just going to tap there. What you see next is a check mark on your computer screen that shows that the devices have been connected. All you do from your mobile device is just tap the screen to make that go away, and tap one more time to make the control panel go away. Now, whatever you do on the mobile device will control the same share screen that you're sharing into the meeting. And so this is my share bar at the top because I'm sharing into the Zoom meeting. And at any time, if I want to see what they see, I can click that little tiny green arrow underneath and they'll see exactly what they see on my iPad.